Amico e chair di programma Dr. Francis Guadalupe ha dato una presentazione e parte di mi ha presentato investigacion come haciendo per 3 anni acaba dentro del proyecto como arqueólogo mi tawak e pasado e mi tawak con hende na anda com cambio di clima di pasado sobre desde que para mim ainda na bem da região na experiência essa aqui dus a base de wak do passado me vai por de figure out com na adaptar na e cambio de clima aqui então que nos possível comportar relevante para nós hoje em dia.
Parte di clima, per parte studio cultura também do local você atende com ele.
Sim, dus como arqueólogo nós estamos full parte de vida que tem que maken com eigenlijk vida riba isla em sua totalidade do passado e com essa que aborda influenciar e a cambio durante o tempo, door die não somente cambio de clima, mas também door die venida de bambis europeu na Aruba com a bem usa isla de outra perspectiva. Que me ginamente apresentar duas diferentes perspectivas de bai com o mesmo recurso natural que a Aruba.
What we did today, we spoke about the climate challenges that Aruba faces. We spoke about the question of culture and climate. And I wanted to presuppose to argue that you need to take the cultures that exist on this island, all of it in all its diversity. So the culture of the newcomers, the culture of the oldcomers, you make that mix and you try to see what works best to actually tackle the climate challenges that this island faces and the wider Caribbean faces.
It's a research.
It's a research consisting of 11 researchers. I am the program chair of the research. It's called Islanders at the Helm. And what it is that 11 researchers consisting of archaeologists to anthropologists to people in urban planning to people in architecture, extreme architecture. Together they're trying to understand how the people in Aruba are responding to the climate challenges. Are people ignoring it? Are people adapting to it positively? Are people exacerbating it? They're trying to understand all of that. So one of the things that was done this weekend or this week was to study how was climate represented in the carnival that you just had. That was an important component to study that, to recognize that Arubans, when they party together. The question now is, if you party together, are you willing also to tackle the climate together in a kind of unity?
Como arqueólogo me tem lo que se llama el Work Package 1, que WAC tem passado, para programa programa multidisciplinário que tem 5 work packages que me botin sono que enfocar em legislação, arquitetura, cultura, arte, música, management de água, então a nossa parte de passado.